Hey leaders, hope you're doing amazing. In this tutorial video, I'm going to share you another tutorial regarding the affiliate manager, the new feature of our CRM, so you can take it to the next further. As you've learned in the last tutorial video that we created, once you create a campaign or a specific affiliate program that you want to, promote and get more passive income for your business, you can actually take it to the next further by creating an opt-in page and automate the process of getting those signups to be part of your affiliate program. Now in the last video, just so you are aware, you will learn how to manually add them, but this tutorial will help you create a page where you can just send that link and get someone signed up and they will be added to the campaign automatically. So taking it to the next level, making sure that this is automated for you so you don't have to do that extra step. We have three simple steps to do. The first step would be creating a form or a sign up page or an opt-in page with the necessary custom field that you need to have an affiliate. Number two would be an option for you to actually make it a branded page. If you want that opt-in page to have your logo, some more information about your program, then you can do so, but that's optional. And the third step would be creating the workflow so that you can automate the process of adding these signups to your campaign. Now let's go to the step one. It's a little simple. Just go to the sites and then the forms, go to builder, and from here you can start adding or creating a new form by click on add form, and then from here you can drag and drop the necessary fields or information that you want to gather for your affiliate signups. That will be the first name, last name, the standard contact information, the phone and email. If you want these values to be required, just click on that field and click on required. Same with the last name. If you need additional information like their address or website or even their birthday, then you can do so. But this is just for example purpose. These are the standard ones that you need. And once you're done with the actual information, just make sure to add a button and then click on that element. You can actually change the title or the word inside the button. Let's say I want to be an affiliate. It's an example. All right. And you want that to be center. And there you go. Once you're done with your form, click on save and then make sure to go to options and just rename this opt-in form affiliate. There you go. All right. So that's the first step. Now, you don't have to do the option, the step two that I mentioned. You can just quickly, click on integrate form. And then once you copy the form link, that's, the link that you can actually use right now to actually get those signups. But, if you feel like this is so basic or simple and you want to add your branding, your logo, or some more information about this, you know um affiliate that you have, then go ahead and create a landing page and then just use the form element and insert the actual element form that you just created under this name. Right, so it's going to be a simple step once you have your branding created in the landing page. All right, so once you're done with the step two, which is optional, like I mentioned, then you have to create the workflow so you can automate the process. Because right now, if somebody goes into this page and they click on I want to be an affiliate, nothing will happen because the automation has not yet been created. Now that's the step three, right? Just go to automation and then we're going to create a workflow. All right, click on create workflow, and then we shall start from scratch. From here, the trigger would be, since we created a form and we want, somebody who answers this form will be added to the affiliate manager. That will be the basis of our trigger, right? So click on add new workflow trigger and just select the form submitted and, add a filter, and the form that we just created, that will be the opt-in form affiliate. All right, so once you're done with that, click on save trigger and then we shall add the action that we want. So like I mentioned, this workflow is intended to get them to the affiliate manager, right? So once you click on the plus button find under the affiliate, go to add to affiliate manager. So they'll be added to the actual, affiliate manager system, and then click on another plus sign, and then we want to add them to a specific campaign, right? So if you have like three different products that you are launching for your affiliate program, then just make sure you have different types of, form for that. But if you just want to have one for everything, then you can do so. Use one. Just make sure that you are indicating that in your workflow. All right. So for example, you have this specific campaign for that form. Just click on add to affiliate campaign, and then the affiliate campaign that you have, for example this one, click on save action. So your workflow is complete right now, because once somebody answers the form or they submit the form, they'll be added to the affiliate manager and also be added to a specific campaign, which will trigger the email that will be sent to them with their specific link, so they can start getting affiliates. But if you want this to take it to the next level, for example, tracking purpose, you might want to add more, step here, which would be, for example, adding a contact tag, right? Just so you can track all your affiliates. Let's say affiliate sign up if you want, any tag that will be helpful for you. And then even sending an email to yourself, for example, so that you are aware that somebody signed up to your affiliate, right? So that will be under CRM, send internal notification, and then that will be an email to yourself, like this particular user, and then you can just select yourself. So I will, for example, myself, and then just make sure that you're using support email or a different email from the email that you're using as a user, so it doesn't go to spam, right? Make sure it's not the same from and then to emails, right? All right. So once you're done adding those informations, the subject line will be, as simple as new sign up to your affiliate, and then you can add some paragraph here if you want to know their information, like their contact name, all of that, for example. Then you can add a custom value, so it will be the full name, and then you can add the email and so on and so forth, all the information that you want to learn from them via email. All right, so once you're done with that, click on save action, and there you go. You have the important steps, and then the additional steps for tracking and notification purpose. So once you're done with that, make sure to click on publish and click on save, and don't forget to rename this workflow. So that will be affiliate workflow. All right. Now, once you have this piece, then you are ready to get more affiliates in your program and campaign, so you can get more passive income and promote your business, you know, all in all. All right. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, let us know so you can provide more clarity. If you want to learn specific, steps or tutorial in the CRM, let us know so we can create that for you next week. Other than that, hope you have a beautiful rest of your week and see you in the next video. Take care.